रिलायबल इंग्लिश क्लास वेलकम्स यू। दोस्तों, आज हम देखने वाले हैं डेली यूज 50 सेंटेंसेस फ्रॉम हिंदी टू इंग्लिश। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। और कुछ नहीं,
Nothing else. Nothing else.
फिर मिलेंगे।
See you again. See you again.
भरोसा रखें।
Rest assured. Rest assured.
कल मिलेंगे।
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
तुम कैसे जाओगे?
How will you go? How will you go?
क्या तुम उसे पहचानते हो?
Do you recognize him? Do you recognize him?
कभी नहीं।
Not at all. Not at all.
कोई बात नहीं।
No problem. No problem.
उनके साथ बुरा बर्ताव किया गया।
They were treated badly. They were treated badly.
क्या उसे प्यार किया जाता है?
Is he loved? Is he loved?
उसे किसके साथ भेजा गया?
Whom was he sent with? Whom was he sent with?
किताबें छापी जा रही है।
Books are being printed. Books are being printed.
हमें क्या बताया गया?
What were we told? What were we told?
उसे पूछा जाना चाहिए था।
He should have been asked. He should have been asked.
ये काम हो जाना चाहिए था।
This work should have been done. This work should have been done.
उसे क्या दिया गया?
What was he given? What was he given?
उन्हें कहाँ भेजा गया था?
Where had they been sent? Where had they been sent?
हमें भेजा जाना है।
We have to be sent. We have to be sent.
मम्मी को पूछा जाता था।
Mom used to be asked. Mom used to be asked.
हमें क्या पढ़ाया जाता था?
What were we taught? What were we taught?
तुम्हें सजा मिलनी चाहिए।
You must be punished. You must be punished.
उससे पूछा जाना था।
He had to be asked. He had to be asked.
मेरे साथ किसी को भेजा नहीं जाना चाहिए।
No one should be sent with me. No one should be sent with me.
यहाँ पर पेन से लिखा जाना है।
Pen is to be used here. Pen is to be used here.
मुझे मोबाइल दिया जा सकता है।
I can be given a mobile. I can be given a mobile.
हमारी तनख्वाह बढ़ाई जानी है।
Our salary is to be increased. Our salary is to be increased.
होमवर्क जरूर करना चाहिए।
Homework must be done. Homework must be done.
उसे कहाँ भेजा जाना चाहिए?
Where should he be sent? Where should he be sent?
वो मुझे भिजवाता है।
He makes me go. He makes me go.
वो मुझे भिजवा रही है।
She is making me go. She is making me go.
उसने मुझे समझाया।
She made me understand. She made me understand.
तुम मुझे उससे लड़वा रहे हो।
You are making me fight him. You are making me fight him.
वो मुझसे लिखवाता है।
He makes me write. He makes me write.
वो मुझसे काम करवाती है।
She makes me work. She makes me work.
वह मुझे बेवकूफ बना रही है।
She is making me fool. She is making me fool.
कपड़े सुखा दो।
Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry.
आलू छील दो।
Peel off the potatoes. Peel off the potatoes.
संतरा छील दो।
Peel off the orange. Peel off the orange.
बिस्तर लगा दो।
Make the bed. Prepare the bed.
समय की नजाकत को समझो।
Understand the delicacy of time. Understand the delicacy of time.
ढक्कन खोल दो।
Open the lid. Open the cap. Open the cover.
अपने बाल बना लो।
Comb your hair. Comb your hair.
नल खोल दो।
Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap.
नल बंद कर दो।
Turn off the tap. Turn off the tap.
समझने की कोशिश करो।
Try to understand. Try to understand.
चादर बिछा दो।
Spread the bed sheet. Spread the bed sheet.
मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ।
Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry.
बिस्तर पर चादर बिछा दो।
Spread the sheet on the bed. Spread the sheet on the bed.
उसे समय लेने दो।
Let him take time. Let him take time.
दीवार पर सहारा मत लो।
Do not lean against the wall. Do not lean against the wall.
So friends, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell.